In today's Song with Girly video, we are going to make a super spooky eyeball headband. Okay, you need 5 things for these spooky headbands. You need 1 piece of black felt, any dark color headband, googly eyes of many sizes, some tacky glue, and scissors. So, we are going to start with arranging the eyeballs in the way we want them to look. Now that they're in position, we're going to pick them up one by one and glue them. Now it is time to cut out the pieces.
The girly portion of Sewing with Girly had a friend knock on the front door and asked to go play, so she ran off and is at the park with friends. And so she asked me to just finish up the last step, please. And so I am wrapping it up. So you want to take 2 little rectangles, big enough to fit on either side of your headband. Put a dot of glue on each end and glue the 2 rectangles to the back of the eyeball. And then you will slide your headband through. And this is a temporary headband topper if you want to change it out for holidays. Otherwise, you could actually put glue right on the edge of your headband and then glue the eyeballs to it. We like the 2 little strips because then you can move it from one side or the center or to the other side, and then you can swap it out with another bow. So that choice is yours. But there you have it. You have a spooky eyeball headband.